Hello, in this video we're going to be doing long division of whole numbers. So I have this problem set up right here. We got 41,446 divided by 46. So now this number here, the thing you're dividing by, we call the divisor. Now when we set up our long division, we're going to make this symbol here. On the outside is where we're going to put our divisor. And then on the inside, we're going to put what we're dividing. So the 41,446. Notice that I'm not putting the comma here, just in case we introduce a decimal, which we won't in this problem, but if we do, I don't want to confuse a comma with a decimal. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our number 46, our divisor, okay, and we're going to ask ourselves, does it go into 4? Okay, and 46 does not go into 4. So we move on to the next. Okay, and we just kind of keep grouping them together. Does 46 go into 41? And again, that does not go in. So now we say, okay, how about, does 46 go into 414? You say, yeah, 414 is bigger than 46, so it clearly can go into it. But how many times? So off over here, what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, 46 times what can get me close to 414? I just can't go over 414. So then how about we say, I don't know, 8. Okay. Once you get good at these, you'll know what type of numbers to choose. Okay. Because notice that 8 times 4 is 32, and that's going to be less than the 41. So at least it's a good starting point. All right. So 8 times 6, okay, is 48. So put our 8 down, carry the 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Then plus this 4 gives me 36. So we can see that 46 times 8 is 368, which is less than 414. So I could put an 8 here if I want to. Okay, but I'm not done checking. Because what's 46 times 9? All right, well that's 54 right there. 9 times 6 is 54. And then this is going to be 9 times 4 is 36, plus 5 is 414, which is exactly what we have here. So not only does 46 go into 414 up to 9 times, it goes in exactly 9 times. And we'll put that number above 414. All right, the next thing we would do is we would then say 9 times 46 is 414, and we would subtract it. Now, in this is a special case where 414 minus 414 is 0. Okay, so we do have a special case here, but that's okay. All right, next we would bring down this 4. Okay, and this 0 really isn't necessary because 0, 4 is the same as just 4, so I'll erase that. Okay, now 46 does not go into 4. Okay, so what do? Well, now you would need this other 6. So you say, okay, well, how many times does 46 go into 46? Hopefully you say 1. Well, where does that 1 go? Okay. Well, notice because 46 did not go into 4, we moved on to the next decimal, or the next digit. That's fine, but because 46 goes into 4 0 times, we actually do put that 0 here. And then notice 0 times 46 is 0. We would subtract it. We'd get 4, and then we would bring down that 6. So now 46 goes into 46 one time. So my answer would be 901 times. So what's the division? It would be 901.